If you know After Effects, you'll agree with me that it takes a lot of time to create animations using Adobe After Effects. But that will be over if you have this amazing super plugin that will help you create professional looking animation in little time. And this plugin is available for both Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects, meaning you can create the same animations you have created in After Effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. How amazing can that be? And the most wonderful thing about this plugin is that it is free. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end. At the end, I'll be sharing you a bonus plugin, a place where you can even find more amazing free plugins. To download this plugin, just head on to MRHORSE.com and then download for your preferred program. So you can also find the link in the description. And this plugin is called Animation Composer 3. But if you are using Premiere Pro, it is called Premiere Composer. This plugin comes with pre-compositions, animation effects that you can apply to any object, and pre-made text animations and all of that. It even came with lots of sounds. So if you have it open already, you will find that it has the folder right here, the starter presets and the starter sound and the starter pre-compositions. So let's take a look at what is contained in each of these folders. Let's take a look at some of the pre-made transitions that you can apply. So I'm going to select the elements right here on my composition and apply one of these transitions. Once you choose, you select the apply in, you see in, out and both. So you can apply for both at the same time or apply one after the other. You see that if I play this now, this will just go in. So you can also apply for the text. Yes, let's scroll down. I'll go for this one and apply for the in. So I'll select this other text and also apply. So as you can see right here, if you play this back now, in just few clicks you have created a beautiful animations. Any of these transitions, once you apply them, you can modify the speed, the angle and all of that using the same plugin. Let's take a look at the effect. So you can add any effect right here and this animation will continue doing it. I will just select this and apply. If you click the apply button right here, that will automatically apply this to the element. So you can see it has opened up so many parameters that you can adjust right here. You see, if this is moving too fast, you can come to the edit part of the plugin and then reduce all of this. So if you preview this now, you see that the transition will happen first before it start going to left and right. You see that? Let's take a look at the text. Once you select the text transition, you see so many pre-made right here. So let's select this very particular one, then you apply in. So let's preview this and see. Amazing. So if you move down to this starter pre-comps, you'll find the overlays. These overlays you can put and make your video look cinematics for half screen. You also have the shape elements, amazing pre-made elements and shape animation that you can just drag and drop into your composition and then modify them to the way you like it. You can make this a custom animation, not necessarily mean just dragging and dropping it to use it directly. So if you move down, you find the social media icon. If you are a vlogger or whatever, the like button, subscribe and all that, these are pre-made animations that you can just drag into your composition, and believe me, it's all modifiable. The colors are modifiable, the elements, the logos, you can insert your own logo into this social media icon animations. And if you move down to text boxes, you will find more of this. You will find more amazing text animations right here, and you can also find more transitions, beautiful zoom-in transition. I tell you, this plugin is crazy. So if you move down to the starter sound, you will find different type of sounds right here. You can just click on the sound, make amendments and adjust them. Look at it, you have the beep sound, blast sound, boom sound and all many type of sounds here. So all these are some of the amazing things you can do with this MRHORSE free plugin. The creativity here is endless. I promised I was going to show you even a more amazing plugins that you can use to speed up your workflow in Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro. So let's take a look at that. So many packages right here. If you want to do a glass effect, you want to do the glow effect, you want pre-made shapes, you can find all of that right here. And the beautiful thing about this also, it is for Premiere Pro and After Effects users. You can also drag and drop and then modify them from within the plugin. It comes with parameters that you can adjust just like you have it in the previous plugin. But with this one, you can find amazing graphics, animation, light leaks, glow effects, glass effect, pre-made shapes, particle simulation effects, and all of these you can modify it and customize it to become yours with this single plugin, with thousands of pre-made pre-compositions, sound effects, and all of these wonderful things that will speed up your workflow. So just head on to AEJuice and then you will find a link in the description to download all of these. I can't wait to see what you'll be able to create with these amazing free plugins, and then let me know if you want tutorials more on how to use all of these plugins. Thank you again for watching this tutorial. Until I see you again, my name is SSB Otaru from Motion Digit Studios.